If you're like me and you find these little contraptions super annoying, normally there's a workaround, and that is that you can put any old card in here.
To save on electricity, a lot of cruise lines have these contraptions where in order to work the lights or even the electricity in your cruise stateroom, you have to insert your stateroom key card in it for it to work. And this is why when I cruise, I like to bring with me an old cruise stateroom card so I can use that instead of my actual card. It's so much more convenient. In most cases, this will work, but not on some newer cruise ships like this one, MSC Seascape. Even if I use another cruise ship key card, it blinks red and it will not work. It's actually smart enough to detect my actual cruise ship key card. So why does it matter? Why not just use the system as it is intended? Well, the problem is if the key card isn't in there, none of the electricity works. And that means there's no way to charge your devices unless you're in your stateroom. So what do?
You go to guest services and request a duplicate card, and they will oblige. It's a little bit of an extra step that you have to go through to get the extra card.